Let's sit comfortably, easily, with our spine erect and body relaxed. You can have less light if you prefer, preferably at your home, but that is secondary. Now let us sit with our spine erect, body relaxed, eyes closed. Just imagine a string passing through the center of your body. From the base of the spine, imagine there is a string that is going all the way to the ceiling of the room or hall you are sitting. Let's keep our attention on the central string, a silver string from the floor to the ceiling, in which our body is like a bead. You may find some difference between the left side and the right side of your body. As you pay your attention on the central string, the body starts balancing itself. The right and left sides will start balancing. Just imagine you are also breathing in and out, breathing through the string. As you breathe in, you are taking your attention to the ceiling. As you breathe out, your breath is coming back to the floor. As you breathe in, take your attention to the top of the head and beyond to the ceiling. Hold the breath, and as you breathe out, let the mind and the breath come down like a shower back to the ground. As though the breath is pumped up to the ceiling, and when it coming down, while coming down, the breath is coming back to the floor like a shower. Let's continue this for a few more times. Breathe in, hold and let go. Let the fountain which pumps the water up and it comes back like a shower. Your breath is taking your attention to the ceiling and you're coming down, comforting your own body. Breathe in, take your attention all along your spine to the ceiling. Hold the breath and let go, and let the attention come down to your head, shoulders, and onto the ground. Our atmosphere have lot of cosmic rays. Our atmosphere is filled with cosmic rays. They are all showering on our head. There is a shower of cosmic rays on our head. Let every cell of our brain be open to receiving this tremendous energy that's being poured on us by nature. Let's breathe in and take our attention to the ceiling and let go. As you breathe out, come back to the ground, showering your whole body with relaxation. Let us relax the periphery of our head. Relax the frontal lobe. Then right side of the brain, relax the right side. Back of the brain, relax the back side of your brain. And relax the left side of your brain. Top of the brain. Let our brain get deep rest. We have used and used and used it too much. Let us rejuvenate every cell of our brain by giving it a deep conscious rest. Let every cell relax, blossom, and rejuvenate itself. We should have compassion for our own brain, our own mind, and our own body. Let us bring our attention down to the center of our head. Relax your cheeks, your ears, your jaw. Often our stress gets stored in our jaws. Just keep our attention on our cheeks and on our jaws and relax them. Let's come down to our throat and neck and relax all the muscles, tissues, glands that are present in this region. Let's relax our vocal cord. They all deserve a deep conscious rest and appreciation. Every cell of your body is looking for an appreciation from you. Give it. Give them their due. Now, appreciate every cell of your body. Let's come down to our shoulders and arms. Relax our thorax region. Let go of all your efforts. Simply relax and repose in yourself. Meditation is an art of relaxing, art of doing nothing. Whatever sensations are there in the body, just let them be there. Pleasant, unpleasant sensations, if they arise, just let them be. Let go of all your effort. Let go of all the imaginations. And let go of even the instructions. Just relax. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Learn either. Just relax. You are peace. You are peace. Notice the changes that are occurring in your brain and body. Let go of all your efforts. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. Keep a big smile on your face and allow the smile to percolate through the whole body. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes.